Hello traders, hello investors. So Tesla is dropping minus 7.52% right now. This is quite crazy. We see SPY, the Dow Jones, QQQ, they're all going up roughly 3%. We see yields, VIX, the dollar index, they're all dropping. Uh, Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, Google, Microsoft, they're all going up more than 3%. And we see Tesla dropping minus 7%. What is going on today? Why is it dropping so much? And is there any technical reason to believe that Tesla is going to recover from here? Well, I will try to answer these questions in this video. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, by the way. Very nice to meet you guys. And remember to click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe if you're new around here because I'm gonna keep you guys updated every day on Tesla's price action and on other stocks as well. Now, uh, Tesla is dropping minus 7% today. It is only because of numbers, right? I mean, Tesla delivered, as far as I remember, 343,000 vehicles this quarter, not meeting the analysts' expectations, which was slightly above this number, which is still higher than the second quarter, by the way, but still, we could not meet the expectations, so we are dropping 7% right now. Do you think this is an overreaction? Do you think it is fair seeing Tesla dropping that much after just failing in meeting the expectations, while it is still showing a very nice and solid growth? This has nothing to do with Tesla, but it is important to learn from history. This reminds me of Netflix. Netflix, here, this day, it dropped minus 35% because it lost 200,000 subscribers, if I remember correctly. Still, it had more than 220 million subscribers. But okay, we lost 200,000, so we're gonna drop 35%. This was clearly an overreaction, but since then, Netflix still couldn't recover from the previous drop. So, although, in my humble opinion, this is an overreaction, I'm not saying that Tesla is going to recover right now at this moment, okay? Of course, it could recover if we see a good reaction. But right now, do we see any technical reason to believe that Tesla is going to recover from this drop? No, unfortunately not. Let's see in the 1 hour chart. It feels like we are stabilizing. At least we are not dropping to lower levels, right? I mean, we are not losing today's low over here. This is relatively good. It is not amazing. Oh my God, this is so good. No, but it is a sign of stabilization. It is the first step required in order for Tesla to do a reversal, but it is not necessarily a meaningful sign right now at this moment. Oh, Nathan, this could be a rounded bottom. Yes, it could, but it could be a rounded bottom over here as well, right? So you gotta understand me why I am skeptical about this reaction. In addition, we filled this gap over here, right, at 250, and we are right now $6 below our previous target because I told you guys by losing this support level, we're gonna fill this gap. Well, we filled this gap today. Of course, I was not expecting such a sharp drop today, but if you ask me, in my humble opinion as a retail trader, as just a guy who's sharing my thoughts here on YouTube, who's not smarter than anyone over here who's watching me, I believe Tesla is going to recover. But in order to see some confirmation, it is important to see Tesla closing above 250 again. All right, if it closes above 250, it is going to give us the impression of a false breakout, right? And that it is an evidence that yes, this is an overreaction. So we're going to react over here. We're going to close above the 250. And this is going to indicate a better chance of Tesla of bouncing back up to higher levels. In the 1 hour chart, it is important to tell that we have two open gaps right now. We have this gap over here, and we have this gap over here. Tesla always fills the gaps that appear above the price level. There is not a single open gap except for these two open gaps right now on Tesla. Even older gaps like this one over here at 402.67, this gap was filled over here on January 4th. So there's not a single open gap on Tesla. So yes, Tesla, statistically speaking, historically speaking, will probably fill both gaps over here. The problem is, I don't know when. And it is important to tell that I don't need to know when it is going to fill these gaps in order to trade well, because remember, trading is reactive. It is not predictive. And if you want to keep in touch with my personal strategies, remember to subscribe to my newsletters. Check my website. The link is in the description of this video. We are doing quite well recently despite the enormous difficulty we see right now in this harsh market. We are doing quite well. So join us over there. Thank you very much for your support, my friends. Now back to Tesla. Uh, Remember, 250 is the most important key point on it. Will Tesla react? Well, maybe, maybe not. But what if it doesn't? If it doesn't, the next support level is at $225. Okay, so we gotta wait for more confirmation in my humble opinion, but Tesla is a promising stock. I believe it is going to fill both gaps in the 1 hour chart, and we're gonna see a good bullish reaction, but right now we can't say we see a confirmation of a bullish thesis right now, so we gotta wait for more signs. Are you still watching this video and you are not my subscriber? Seriously, consider subscribing. I think it is about time to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for your support. Join my newsletter, check my website. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. Farewell.